guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an icy slime. So what you're going to need is some Elmer's clear glue, some foaming hand wash, some water, some measuring cups or measuring spoons, teaspoon and tablespoon if you want, dry instant snow, something to stir with, and a container. So you want to start by adding your Elmer's clear glue into your container. Then you want to add your foaming hand wash and mix it all together. Now you want to add your water to your foam soap and your clear glue mixture. And if you guys want any coloring, I would suggest food coloring. You can do any. That's also optional. And you can also add glitter at this time, or you can add it later on. Once you've mixed all your stuff all together, you want to start activating your slime. I'm using Flow and I put it in a squeezable bottle so that I wouldn't overactivate my slime. I'm using Flow because it doesn't hurt your hands when you play with it like borax. And it's just like borax, and I would highly suggest you use that, but you can use any activator you want. Once it starts getting less sticky, you want to start activating it a little bit more and kneading it. In the beginning, you want to overactivate your slime, so when you add your dry instant snow, it won't be so underactivated like mine was. But you guys don't have to see those clips because I didn't include that because I didn't want you guys to be here for too long. And so you just want to keep on activating and kneading until it's not sticky. You fully activate your slime, which it doesn't in this clip, but later on you'll see. You want to add about 2 teaspoons of dry instant snow to your slime. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.